I'm about to share how to make any woman genuinely yearn for you, even if she seems indifferent at first. As Bruce Lee once said, the key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. This profound quote emphasizes the importance of leaving a lasting impression, which is exactly what we're discussing today. I'll reveal 5 powerful strategies to make any woman long for you. To make a woman truly miss you, you need to offer something exceptional, something she can't find elsewhere. Whether you're in a relationship or just beginning to connect, these tips will ensure you leave an unforgettable mark. Let's dive in. The first step is to cease contact. Here's the hard truth. Women are naturally drawn to those who elude them. They are intrigued by the chase, and the opposite is also true. The more you pursue, the more their interest wanes. Stop oversharing the details of your day, avoid being constantly available for small talk, and create some distance. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. By reducing contact, you allow her curiosity to grow. She will start to wonder about your activities, and in her imagination, you become more intriguing. Imagine her pondering why she hasn't heard from you and considering the possibility that you're spending time with others. This absence can spark jealousy and increase her interest in you. By stepping back, you show that you are independent and self-sufficient, not relying on her for happiness. Independence is attractive because it demonstrates that you are whole on your own. On the other hand, constant availability may lead her to feel she has you completely under control, which can diminish her interest over time. Maintaining autonomy is a fundamental Stoic principle. Your happiness should never be entirely dependent on others. The effectiveness of the no-contact rule lies in its ability to simulate a form of rejection. When a woman sees you thriving without her, she realizes she's an option in your life, not a necessity. Paradoxically, this makes her desire you more, as it triggers the psychological response tied to motivation and reward. As Epictetus noted, it is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By stepping back, you evoke a sense of longing and appreciation. In today's world, understanding the dynamics of attraction and relationships is essential. Embodying Stoic principles like self-control, independence, and emotional resilience helps you navigate these dynamics effectively. Show that you are capable and content on your own. Authenticity and balance are ultimately what attract others. Stoicism serves as a guide to living a virtuous and balanced life, even in matters of the heart. By maintaining a degree of distance and focusing on your personal growth, you naturally enhance your appeal. First, cease constant contact. Here's the reality. Women are naturally drawn to those who maintain a sense of mystery. The more you pursue, the less intriguing you become. Stop oversharing your daily routine or being perpetually available for small talk. Set boundaries, create distance, and let her curiosity grow. Marcus Aurelius said, "The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have." By stepping back and giving her space, you allow her imagination to fill the gaps, making you appear more captivating. This absence might even lead her to wonder if you're spending time with someone else, sparking a sense of intrigue and desire. When you convey self-sufficiency, you project confidence and independence, traits that are undeniably appealing. Next, resist her subtle attempts to capture your attention. If she senses your distance, she might post alluring photos or cryptic messages designed to elicit a reaction. Stay composed. Avoid engaging, liking, or commenting on her updates. This restraint showcases your emotional discipline and leaves her questioning her tactics. Marcus Aurelius also said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." By not playing into her games, you shift the dynamics in your favor, fostering a sense of longing and appreciation on her part. Focus on your personal growth and let your actions reflect strength and independence. This not only enhances your attractiveness, but also aligns with Stoic principles of self-control and emotional resilience. When you embody these qualities, you naturally draw others to you, creating deeper and more fulfilling connections. The goal isn't to manipulate, but to nurture a balanced and self-assured mindset that resonates in all aspects of your life, including relationships. How can these insights guide you toward more meaningful connections and a more grounded sense of self? How to make her miss you. Intensely using Stoic life lessons. Stoic philosophy isn't just about resilience and wisdom. It also offers valuable insights into building meaningful connections and relationships. By embracing its principles, you can naturally draw others toward you, fostering longing and admiration without manipulation. Let's explore how adopting a Stoic mindset can enhance your relationships and make her miss you deeply. 1. Prioritize your well-being. A fulfilled and grounded person is inherently attractive. When you focus on personal growth, health, and happiness, you not only become more desirable but also cultivate resilience and inner strength. As Marcus Aurelius put it, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. By embracing this mindset, you shift your attention inward, prioritizing self-care and personal development. This balance is key to ensuring that both partners feel valued and appreciated in any relationship. 2. Resist her attention. Bait. When someone starts missing you, they may employ subtle tactics to draw your attention. From eye-catching social media posts to indirect messages, these cues are often designed to elicit a response. Here, Stoicism teaches restraint. Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Instead of engaging, maintain your composure. Avoid liking photos or commenting on posts. Your silence speaks volumes, creating intrigue and encouraging her to reflect on why she craves your attention. This self-discipline not only unsettles her, but also strengthens your emotional independence, making you all the more attractive. 3. Show that you're thriving. Stoics believe in living with purpose and joy, regardless of external circumstances. When a woman starts missing you, she'll likely check your social media to see what you've been up to. Use this opportunity to authentically showcase your vibrant life. For example, post about meaningful moments, a hiking trip, a heartfelt book recommendation, or a beautiful sunset. Avoid appearing boastful or desperate for attention. Instead, let your content reflect genuine happiness and gratitude. Seneca's wisdom resonates here. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. When she sees you thriving, she'll naturally want to be part of your journey. Your Stoic happiness becomes magnetic, reminding her of the joy and value you bring to life. 4. Evoke subtle jealousy. Jealousy, when approached carefully, can be a powerful tool to evoke longing. This isn't about manipulation, but showcasing the abundance of love and connection in your life. Imagine attending a friend's wedding and posting a picture with a caption about the beauty of friendship. Such moments demonstrate that you're cherished and valued by others, subtly igniting a sense of longing in her. Marcus Aurelius said it best, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Rather than trying to incite envy through negativity, focus on building a life so fulfilling that she can't help but feel drawn to your joy and accomplishments. Living the Stoic life. Ultimately, the goal isn't just to make someone miss you, but to cultivate a life of meaning and fulfillment. The principles of Stoicism, self-discipline, emotional intelligence, and resilience, serve as guiding lights for navigating relationships and personal growth. Reflect on these key questions. Are you seeking validation from others, or are you grounded in your own values? How can emotional discipline improve your relationships and overall well-being? By embodying the wisdom of Stoicism, you naturally radiate confidence, serenity, and strength. This not only deepens connections, but also transforms how you experience love and life itself. When you thrive authentically, focusing on your happiness and growth, others will be irresistibly drawn to your vibrant energy. The Stoic approach ensures you remain true to yourself, creating relationships rooted in mutual respect and admiration. Let her see the life you're living, a life full of purpose, joy, and resilience, and she'll realize what she's missing. Leveraging Stoic principles to enhance your interpersonal relationships is about cultivating confidence, independence, and authenticity. Here's a concise summary of how you can apply these concepts. Evoking jealousy with subtlety and authenticity. When someone realizes they might lose your attention to another, they often feel a greater urgency to reconnect. This isn't about manipulation, but about presenting yourself as someone with a fulfilling and attractive life. Here's how. Create intriguing scenarios. Share moments on social media that highlight your vibrant social life. This could include photos with friends or attending exciting events. If another woman is present, the image may naturally evoke curiosity. Subtle signals. Tagging people in your photos, including women, can create an air of mystery. However, always keep your interactions genuine and respectful. Showcase your interests. Even small actions like posting about your favorite book or a beautiful sunset reflect your inner joy and confidence. These subtle glimpses into your life can make someone realize what they're missing. The Stoic framework in relationship Stoicism teaches emotional resilience, which is key to attracting and maintaining meaningful connections. Here's how to integrate Stoic wisdom. Focus on your growth. Highlight your achievements and positive experiences, not out of vanity, but to demonstrate your personal journey. Control what you can. You can't force someone to miss you, but you can shape how you present yourself and your life. Project independence. Show that your happiness doesn't hinge on any one person. Independence is inherently attractive because it conveys strength and self-worth. The social media effect. In today's world, social media is a window into your life. Use it strategically to reflect an active, fulfilling life. Create FOMO, fear of missing out, by sharing compelling, joyful moments. Balance authenticity with intrigue, ensuring you remain genuine. By embodying Stoic principles and showcasing your best self authentically, you naturally draw people towards you. Whether rekindling a connection or igniting a new spark, this approach fosters deeper and more meaningful relationships. Creating a lasting impression involves a blend of authenticity, thoughtfulness, and the principles of Stoic philosophy. Here's how to make a memorable impact using shared experiences and emotional connections. 1. Be memorable through association. Engaging nicknames. Craft a nickname that is personal and reflective of her personality or shared interests. For instance, if she loves sunny days, call her Sunshine. Every time she encounters the word, it will evoke thoughts of you. Shared references. Link moments to favorite shows, foods, or hobbies. Associative memory ensures that these connections spark fond recollections of your time together. Example. If she loves a particular TV series, make playful jokes about her being a character from the show. Every episode becomes a reminder of your humor and connection. 2. Create shared experiences. Do things she loves. Participate in her favorite activities, whether it's hiking, cooking, or watching stand-up comedy. Be playful and fun. Add humor and lightheartedness to your interactions to make them unforgettable. Illustration: John, a professional, discovered Sarah's love for hiking and comedy. During a hike, he dubbed her Trailblazer for her adventurous spirit. Their shared laughter over hiking mishaps and quoting comedians turned a casual outing into a cherished memory. Weeks later, Sarah feels nostalgic every time she encounters hiking trails or hears the jokes they laughed over. 3. Leverage Stoic happiness. Focus on positivity. Foster joy and meaningful experiences without forcing them. Stay composed. Confidence and emotional balance enhance your presence, making moments with you feel effortless and enjoyable. 4. Use the power of repetition and association. Subtly integrate memories into everyday elements of her life, ensuring that even mundane moments trigger thoughts of you. A well-thought-out nickname, a shared joke, or a small memento from an activity can strengthen this effect. Visualization. Imagine every time she hears her nickname or passes by a hiking trail, she smiles, recalling your shared adventure. Questions for reflection. What shared hobbies or interests can you explore together? How can you create memorable, lighthearted moments that reflect her personality? How can Stoic principles, composure, confidence, and meaningful engagement enhance your interactions? Conclusion. By focusing on authenticity, humor, and shared experiences, you can leave an indelible impression. This approach aligns with Stoic values of self-awareness and emotional resilience, ensuring that the memories you create are cherished and missed.